Take a picture of this. Now they're doing some shoving movements. There's a guy on the back. They're doing shoving movements. R.J. Corman, Railroad Company. Thought I might include that inside of my YouTube video. He's going to go ahead and block off the road here and do the switch. All right. Now this is the freight conductor. He's going to go off and he's going to do the switch now. Watch him. Oh well. Well, he's walking down there, so watch. He's gonna line up the switch now. Watch him do it. Watch him do it. All right. Now you just caught him back now. Now they're going to continue shoving. He gave the word. Now he's going to continue shoving now. Up on the radio. There they go. R.J. Corman, Railroad Company, see that? R.J. Corman, Railroad Company. See? There it is. Pretty cool, isn't it? You just go back up. Oh. Yep. Now we're going to switch it back now, see? Now we'll climb on the train and get on back. But he's gonna go on in and we're good. Now they gotta sound the horn and the bell. We're gonna get ready to cross the crossing. Warn people. YouTube channel. Yeah, the gates are being kept back down a little bit. It's too late, but it's an old crossing now. There goes the gates back up. There they go. There's a unique one right there that shoves those cars back inside that railroad tie place. It's called Koppers. Koppers, whatever that is, means. So, oh, and then there comes the truck. Another good video. Well, that's a heavy load. Well, that's a heavy load. That's to make brand new railroad ties. Now we got a high green down there. Good. Green over red. Clear. The other train should be coming shortly.